Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on syncing photos from your iPhone to your Apple Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If your watch is in range of your iPhone, all your photos will be viewable on your watch. You can sync photos so that you can view them when you are not near your watch. You can't sync all of your photos library, but you can choose to sync your recent photos or specific albums to the watch. Start by opening the Watch app on your iPhone. Scroll down to the list of apps and select Photos. Under Photo Syncing, select Selected Photo Album. You can now choose which album you want to sync. Tap Photo Limit and you can choose the max number of photos you want to be stored on the watch. Your photos will now be synced to your watch. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.